Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. 2015 Mazda CX5. Cabin air filter replacement, I suppose. Blower motor replacement. Just tilt the glove box down. It's going to slip off these fingers. Unhook this lever on the edge. Simple as that. Tilt it down, get it out of the way. This fits right in here. Cabin air filter out. There's air, usually arrows somewhere for airflow. I'm not off right hand, I'm not seeing it. Maybe it says something on there though. Oh, it says South Korea. So, cabin air filter, remove, replace, in and out right there. I took a door off here, but there's nothing there interesting. So, cabin air filter, replace it. Put your glove box back on the hair. Snap your hinge in place. You'll be good to go. Pushing on the corners to release those tabs. Glove box removal, replacement. 2015 Mazda CX5.